Okay, so in today's video, we're going to show how to use the guest reservation option in the web forms. So we're going to use the basic donate form that we have, and we're going to clone it. Clone it means to copy it, or here it says copy form, because it has all the basic options, the contact information, credit card. It has already the optional donation. There's only a few things we need to do to switch it. And then, let's go ahead. We'll jump right in. So we click on copy form, and the way to set up a guest reservation. So let's say you have a Hanukkah event. You want to have, adults, children. How many adults are coming? How many children are coming? With either with a cost or without a cost. So we're going to click over here on the guest reservation option, and we're going to put it. I like putting it on the top. We're going to put it on the top, and we're going to call it. So this is going to be Hanukkah's coming up. So we're going to do a Hanukkah on ice. Hanukkah on ice. All right, so now Hanukkah on ice reservation. We're going to click on the guest group. We're going to make it required because we want it to be required to reserve, to fill out this form. And now the way to do it is in the event subcategory, you need to have a item. Now right here, Hanukkah on ice does not have an item. So let's go out. We're going to go to our settings. I made it easier over here. I already have it open. So we go to settings, transaction module, transaction categories. We already have here Hanukkah on ice. We're going to click on Hanukkah on ice. We're going to add an item. The item is going to be called adult. Adult. And the cost for an adult is going to be $20. It's going to leave it active. And then we're going to have an item called child. And the amount for a child is going to be $10. Now we're going to save. So once you have these items, you could go back and add those items to the reservation. So again, we're going to click on the pencil. It should be right here. Now we need to reload. 1 second. Okay, so now that we reloaded, it came in. So we're going to go to the event subcategory. We have the events right here, Hanukkah on ice. We're going to click on the plus to add 2 items. We had an adult and a child. So here you have the adult is $20. You have the child is $10. The number would be the quantity. And we're going to hit save. So right now, in order to reserve, they're going to have to select the amount of children, and it auto calculates over here on the bottom. And then they could always add an optional donation amount. So we're going to relabel that amount to donation optional. And over here for the optional donation, we need to make this optional. We're going to take off really required. Optional. Okay. So now we have the optional donation. We're going to make it not required. Okay, so now what we did is we made the optional donation not required. So that way that the reservation is required, but the optional donation is optional. Also, I added a total amount. Right, so you just drag that from right here, total amount. And what that does is, so over here, you have let's say 2 adults, or 5 adults is $100, and 5 children is $50, and then plus $1,800, the total comes out to $1,950. They see their total amount when they're putting in the credit card. So when we save the form, we're going to change it to Hanukkah reservation, and we're going to change the settings. We want the donation, the optional donation, to go into say donation general, and then the email confirmation would be thank you for your reservation. And so we just need to change that, and now take the iframe and put it on the new page.